Hello, Lili here. Today we are starting with Class 3, Chapter 9 of your science textbook. The name of the chapter is Weather. Stepping stones. Do we wear the same type of clothes throughout the year? No. Why? Because we have to wear clothes according to the weather. Look at the pictures given below. In which season we prefer to wear the following clothes? This is for rainy season, this is for winter, and this is for cotton. During the rainy season, the clouds hover in the sky. It rains frequently. The rains are sometimes accompanied by high-speed winds and thunderstorms. In summers, the sun shines brightly. In winters, the sunshine is mild and it is cold. Thus, we see different conditions of wind, rain, sunshine, and clouds at the different times of the year. The condition of wind, rain, sunshine, and clouds at a place and at a particular time is called weather. The sun, air, and water together alter the day-to-day weather conditions. Weather conditions may change every day. Weather also changes during the year. Some months are very hot, while some are very cold. Some months have pleasant weather. It is neither too hot nor too cold. Changes in weather. Have you ever thought, why does the weather change? Let us discuss the different conditions which affect the weather. Sun. In the morning and evening, the sun is low in the sky, so the rays of the sun are slanting. At noon, the sun is at the highest point in the sky, so it shines directly overhead. Due to this, afternoon becomes the hottest part of the day. At night, the warmth of the sun is missing. Therefore, night is the coolest time of a day. This shows that the sun plays a vital role in changing the weather of a place. Sunrise are slanting. Clouds. Clouds cause change in weather. Sometimes clouds present in the sky block the sun rays. At that instant, the weather becomes cool during the daytime. At night, the clouds do not let the heat of the earth escape into the atmosphere. So, cloudy nights are warmer. Rain. Clouds bring rain. Rain gives us relief from the scorching heat of the summer. We welcome rain during summer. It cools the earth and makes the weather pleasant. However, too much rain can cause floods. Flood is a natural calamity that can destroy property and crops. They can also harm animals and humans. But sometimes it does not rain enough. The crops dry up and animals may die due to lack of the food and water. Such a condition is called a drought. Know your scientist. Charles Thomas. He was a Scottish meteorologist. A meteorologist is a person who uses different instruments to predict the weather. He conducted research on the formation of clouds at the Cambridge University. Wind. Moving air is called wind. Wind can blow at different speeds. A wind vane is an instrument used to check the direction of wind. A gentle wind is called a breeze. A breeze is very pleasant and makes us feel cool. In areas near the sea, breeze blows from the sea to the land in the daytime. This cool air is called sea breeze. In the night, breeze blows from the land to the sea. This is called land breeze. And this is the picture of storm. Sometimes we see strong winds accompanied by a thunder and rain. This condition is called storm. Strong storms can uproot trees and damage buildings. Scientists use an instrument called anemometer to check the speed of wind. Differences between breeze and storm. Breeze. A gentle wind is called a breeze. A breeze is very pleasant and makes us feel cool. Storm. A storm is a condition in which strong winds are sometimes accompanied by thunder and rain. Strong storms can uproot trees and damage buildings. They can be harmful. Seasons. A season is the period during which the weather remains almost the same for many days. In India, we experience 5 different seasons: summer, winter, monsoon, spring, and autumn. We wear different kinds of clothes in different seasons. The seasons also affect the kind of food we eat and the activities we do. Each season has its own distinct features. Summer. In summer, the weather is very hot. The sun shines brightly. Hot winds, known as heat waves, blow in some places. In desert, dust storms can appear during summers. We like to stay indoors most of the time. We use room coolers and air conditioners, known as AC, to minimize the effect of heat. Days are long while nights are short in summers. People generally wear light-colored cotton clothes during summer season. They help us to keep cool. Fruits such as mangoes, lychee, and watermelons are eaten during this season. We sweat a lot in summers, so it is necessary to drink a good amount of water for proper functioning of our body. Monsoon. What brings us relief from the hot summer? It is the rain. Rains are often accompanied by lightning and thunder. It rains the most during the monsoon. It is important to have sufficient rainfall every year. Rains provide water to the crops, so farmers eagerly wait for the rainy season. Rainwater is stored in big dams. It is then sent to our homes through pipes. In some places, heavy rains cause floods. The cities which are near the sea can have a very long rainy season. During the rainy season, diseases such as malaria and dengue are common. This is because of the stagnant water in our neighborhood, where mosquitoes start breeding. We should not allow any water to collect in puddles in our neighborhood. Get it rich. Some people believe that lightning never strikes twice at the same place. The truth is that multiple lightning can strike at the same place more than once. Do you play outside when it rains? What special kind of dress do you need to go out in the rain? Nylon cloth. Autumn. Autumn comes before the winter season. Leaves of some trees turn yellow and eventually fall off in autumn. We can see dry leaves all over the ground. In this season, days start to become shorter. The weather also starts getting cold. Winter. In winter, the weather becomes cold. The sun does not appear very bright in this season. It rains during winter in some places. In some hilly areas, we experience snowfall. Days are short and nights are long. We wear woolen clothes to keep ourselves warm. Some people light fires or use heaters to keep warm. Winter brings fruits such as oranges and grapes. We need to drink hot liquids to stay warm in winters. Spring. The spring season comes after winter. In the northern part of India, there is a short spring season during the months of February and March. Flowers bloom on trees. The weather becomes very pleasant. It is neither very too hot nor too cold. Can you name a festival that is celebrated in spring? Holi is celebrated in spring. How do seasons affect us? We wear different types of clothes in different seasons. We wear warm clothes in winter and light, cool clothes in summer. We also get to eat seasonal fruits and vegetables. On the hills, it snows in the winter season. Here, houses have sloping roofs so that the snow can't slip off. Seasons also affect the types of crops grown in an area. For example, paddy or rice fields are very common in areas with heavy rainfall. This is because rice needs a lot of water to run through. The condition of weather of a place depends on wind, rain, sunshine, and clouds. A season is the period during which the weather remains almost the same for many days. In India, we see 5 different seasons: summer, monsoon, winter, spring, and autumn. Diseases such as malaria and dengue are common during the rainy season. Now track your progress. Answer in one word. A. At this time of the day, the sun is at the highest point in the sky, it is noon. B. They block the rays of the sun and make the day cooler, clouds. C. It gives us relief from the scorching heat of summer, rain. And the last one is some trees shed their leaves during this season, it is autumn season. Now, glossary. Breeze means gentle and pleasant wind. Season, a period during which the weather remains almost the same for many days. Weather, the condition of wind, rain, sunshine, and clouds at a place at a particular time. And wind means moving air. Assistance zone. A. Look at the pictures given below and predict the season. This is autumn, this is monsoon, summer, winter, and spring. B. Fill in the blanks. 1. The time period during which weather conditions remain same is called season. 2. Summer brings mangoes and lychee fruits. 3. We wear woolen clothes during winter. 4. Days are longer and nights are shortened during summer. 5. Flowers bloom on trees in the spring season. C. The following statements are false. Rewrite to correct each of them. Number 1. Summer is the hottest season. Number 2. We can sweat a lot in summer. Number 3. Lack of rain can cause drought. Number 4. Rain gives us relief from the scorching heat of summer. Number 5. Days start to become shorter in autumn. Now for the question and answers, we will refer to the notebook. Question number 1 is, give reasons. Houses on the hills have sloping roof. Answer. Hilly areas are more prone to rain and snowfall. Therefore, houses have sloping roofs so that water drains early in sloping roof. 2. Diseases such as malaria and dengue happen in monsoon. Answer. Malaria and dengue are more common in monsoon because water gets accumulated at various places. Mosquito breeds in stagnant water. Number 3. Days are hotter in the afternoon and cooler in the evening. Answer. Days are hotter in afternoon because the sun reaches the highest point in the sky and shines overhead. Evenings are cooler than afternoon as warmth of the sun fades away because the sun is lower down in the sky and its rays are slanting. The fourth one, we wear cotton clothes in summer season. Answer. Cotton clothes absorb sweat and keep us cool. 5. Farmers wait for rainy season. Rainwater plays a vital role in irrigation. Rain provides water to the crops. Now answer the following. Number 1. Define weather. Answer. The condition of wind, rain, sunshine, and clouds at a place and at particular time is called weather. Number 2. Discuss the different conditions which are responsible for the change in weather. Answer. The sun, air, and water together are responsible for change in weather condition. Sun. The position of the sun governs the temperature of the day in the morning and evening. The sun is low in the sky. At noon, the sun is at the highest point. Therefore, afternoon is the hottest part of the day. Now cloud. Clouds can block the sun rays and make the weather cool. Cloudy nights are warmer as clouds do not let the heat of the sun, earth escape into atmosphere. Rain. Rain gives relief from summer. It cools the earth and makes the weather pleasant. 3. Why is afternoon the hottest part of the day? Answer. Afternoon is the hottest part of the day because at this time the sun is at the highest point in the sky, so it shines directly overhead. Question number 4. How can we minimize the effect of heat during summer season? Answer. We can minimize the effect of heat in summer by number 1. Staying indoor, and 2. Using cooler and AC. Question number 5. Why do we need different clothes in different seasons? Answer. We need different clothes in different seasons to keep our body comfortable and to minimize the adverse effect of different weather conditions. Question number 6. What is the difference between weather and season? Answer. Weather consists of the short-term changes in the atmosphere, which includes hours and days. In the term season is used to describe general weather condition of a specific region which takes an average period of 3 months. Question number 7. How do scientists measure the speed of wind? By using anemometer, and direction of wind by using wind vane. Question number 8. What is sea breeze? How is it different from land breeze? Answer. In area near the sea, breeze blows from sea to land in the daytime. This breeze is called the sea breeze. And in night, breeze blows from land to sea. This breeze is called land breeze. Question number 9. Rohit lives in Jammu. He usually wears warm clothes. What do you think is usually the type of weather in Jammu? Answer. He usually wears warm clothes as Jammu usually experiences cold climate. And the last question of this chapter is, Jisha lives in Goa. She wears cotton clothes in month of December. Nisha lives in Shimla. She wears woolen clothes in the month of December. Why do you think Jisha and Nisha wear different types of clothes in the month of December? The answer is, Jisha and Nisha wear different types of clothes in Goa and Shimla respectively because Goa and Shimla experience different weather in the month of December. The weather in Goa is hot, whereas Shimla is very cold in the month of December. Now the worksheets. Worksheet number 1. Fill in the blank. 1. At noon, the sun is at the highest point in the sky. Number 2. Clouds in the sky block the sun rays. Number 3. A gentle wind is called breeze. Number 4. Storm can uproot trees and damage the buildings. Number 5. Too much rain can cause flood. Match the following. Sun, source of heat. Clouds, bring rains. Rain gives relief from heat. Storm, strong wind. And breeze, gentle wind. Answer the following questions. Number 1. What causes drought? Sometimes it does not rain enough. The crops dry up and animals may die due to lack of food and water. Such a condition is called a drought. Number 2. Why is afternoon hotter than night? Afternoon is the hottest part of the day because at this time the sun is at the highest point in the sky and shines overhead. And number 3. What is land breeze? In night, breeze blows from land to sea. This breeze is called land breeze. Worksheet number 2. State whether the following are true or false. Number 1. People mostly stay outdoors during summers. False. Number 2. It rains the most during the monsoon. True. Number 3. Malaria is caused due to cold weather. False. Number 4. Most flower blossom in spring season. True. And the last one is, we wear dark colored clothes in winter. True. B. Identify the season according to the given conditions. Number 1. We see dry leaves all around. Autumn. Number 2. Weather is neither very hot nor too cold. Spring. Number 3. Days are short and nights are long. Winter. Number 4. Farmers wait for this season eagerly. Monsoon. Number 5. We wear light-colored clothes this summer. Give reasons for the following. 1. We should drink a lot of water during summer. We sweat a lot in summer, so we should drink a lot of water for proper functioning of our body. 2. Rice is grown in areas with heavy rainfall. This is because rice needs a lot of water to grow. Number 3. We should not allow any water to collect in puddles near our home. This is because of the stagnant water in our neighborhood, where mosquitoes such as malaria and dengue start breeding. Worksheet number 3. Solve the crossword with help of clues given below. Across. Moving air. Wind. The season that brings us rain. Monsoon. Gentle wind. Breeze. Now down. Strong wind accompanied by rain and thunder. Storm. 2. The season in which it is cold. Winter. Coolest time of the day. Night. B. Give 2 examples for each of the following. Number 1. Types of weather, sunny and cloudy. Number 2. Things you would like to drink in winter, tea and soup. Number 3. Foods eaten during summer, mango and kiwi. Number 4. Clothes we wear in winters, sweater and scarf. Number 5. Things used to minimize effect of heat, cooler and AC. Identify the season with the picture given below. Number 1 is winter. Number 2 is monsoon. Number 3 is autumn. And number 4 is summer. So if you enjoyed my video, do like, share and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching.